Hello and welcome to the greatest gathering. It is the next day here in the UK on our Heritage Railway Roadtrip, and today we're here in Derby at Alstom's factory in Derby at the greatest gathering. To give you an idea, if you have no idea what it is, but I'm pretty sure you know anyway, it is pretty much the largest assemblement of rolling stock in rail history, pretty much. So we obviously celebrate 200 years of railways in 2025, and therefore we have an event here with around, I think, 140 rolling stock and locomotive exhibits. And behind me you can see some examples. We have Scots Guardsman over there, Flying Scotsman, Bahamas and Blue Peter. Behind Blue Peter there's Sir Nigel Gresley as well, but he's not currently in the picture. But yeah, we've been here all day since 10 a.m. in the morning when everything opened. We've taken a lot of pictures or some videos, which I will show you now and give you a bit of thoughts and a bit of talking just to it. And yeah, it's the same thing as always. If you enjoy the content, leave a like. If you don't want to miss any further videos, subscribe. And yeah, just enjoy the footage. We arrived just in time to witness the great whistle off at the beginning of the day to really kick things off. Now, while we are primarily interested in steam locomotives, it was quite nice to see such a large assembly of so many different diesel locomotives that were developed so many years ago. I thought it was actually quite nice. But let's start talking about some of the steam locomotives we saw at the Greatest Gathering. First off, there was a Standard 5, obviously Clanline and Tornado were also very nice to see. Then there were, as already mentioned in the intro, Blue Peter, Bahamas and also Sir Nigel Gresley. All of those are locomotives that I really wanted to see. Those are very fine and pretty large machines that are, yeah, just so beautiful. It was really nice to see them all. And as we made our way around the site, we also came across Scots Guardsman, the standard Mogul from the LMS, and also a Black 5 that was in attendance. Some of the more modern locomotives that were in attendance were the Class 93s. Those were actually quite nice to see as well, and also on the turntable there was the coal tank spinning around, which was also very nice to see, and Sierra Leone was pulling short trains along a short stretch of a line around the site as well. We also managed to have a short talk with Laurie from LMM, and afterwards we enjoyed an interview with Pete Waterman. Some more locos we came across include King Edward II and 9F, and a Princess class from the LMS. Something else that was really cool to see was a massive setup of 5-inch gauge track with live steam models running around. Everything just right next to all the other exhibits for standard and narrow gauge. So yeah, that was also very funny and cool to watch. Another highlight of the event was the model railway village. It was so nice seeing so many layouts in different gauges and models running on them. Um, that alone would have definitely been worth the trip.
I'll just turn it down a bit. Still burning a bit too much. Yeah, I want to waste gas and the heat stops me.
It's now all these causes and everything that look, I can see them. I can see them pulling
Can I send the train straight through?
And after a walk around the model railway village, we went outside to see Prince moving along a short section of track that was laid just for the event. And even though a large portion of the day was already over, we all watched as Flying Scotsman, one of the star exhibits for the event, returned to the site with one of the rail tours it had pulled. And as the day was coming to its end and more people started to leave, we managed to get a nice and clean selfie with Sierra Leone and a very nice picture of Flying Scotsman. At around 4 p.m. the gates were starting to close and we made our way towards our car and started a long, round about 4-hour drive towards the south of England. If you have enjoyed this short but interesting overview of the Greatest Gathering and how we spent our day there, please make sure to leave a like, and if you don't want to miss any further episodes, subscribe as well. That's it for now. In the next episode we will visit the South Devon Railway. Until then, have a great life. Bye for now.